Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the Evap system, fuses and relays are located, this is also known as Evaporative Emission control system. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. In case you need to check them, you have problems or codes related to the Evap system. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts too, at a good price, that way do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the video for your convenience, so let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the Evap system fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. Let's demonstrate now on that Chrysler 300. Now guys, you have two different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in both of them actually. The first one that we need is under the hood. Open the hood in your Chrysler 300. Facing the engine, you see that's your engine. It could be V6, V8. On the left side you have a cover. Right here, that's a fuse box cover. Here you need to squish the tabs together, pull the cover out, and you'll get to a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here for the Evap system, guys, actually for the Evap system, Evaporative Emission control system, there is very limited information about the fuses and the relays. Most likely it's part of the engine management fuses and relays, so we need to check all of them. And most likely, okay, some of those will be for the Evap system as well. If you come in that third row of fuses here, that's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the first one that you need to check. Then check fuse 34, 35, 37. Next, you need to check relay 63. After that, open the trunk. In the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, and that's your car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box here. That's a closer look of that same fuse box. Next, you need to pull the cover up by pressing the tabs together, pull it out, and you will find a fuse box with that layout here. Here specifically we need to check relay 29, and some of you may have another relay 14 right here that you will need to check, but that's what we usually check on Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.